free.
Hi, my name is Rick Ayrton, and I'm author of the book ChakraKey, A Key for Humanity. And I made an amazing discovery about the chakra system involving two symbols. One of the symbols is the menorah, 7 branches on the menorah, 7 chakras. You turn the menorah sideways, and these branches magically turn into a diagram telling us how our Creator made us to live in balance. And then I found another symbol, this crop circle shown here. This beautiful symbol shows us how we have 3 energetic systems mainly. We have the lower chakras, lower consciousness, higher consciousness, and it's all governed by this heart chakra complex. And the problem we have when we don't understand our lower chakras, we are governed by this energy. And what we want to be, if we want to understand this lower chakras, we want to understand our heart, higher consciousness, universal laws of nature, so that we're operating from our full system. And so I'll be presenting ChakraKey June 18th, Seaside Center for Spiritual Living, and we'll be having some fun with the chakras as well, because in addition we found the frequencies for each chakra. And that's amazing, because as a rainbow is a color spectrum, it's also a spectrum of frequencies. And we know the frequencies for each of the chakras. And when you are in the presence of the precise frequency, you can feel it in your hands. So I'll be taking you through music and frequencies that you can actually experience to confirm, yep, I'm a spiritual being, and I've got this energetic structure about me, and I'm empowered when I understand myself. And that's what this information will help you gain. Tremendous power. So thank you for joining us. We'll have a lot of fun and learn a lot about yourself. God bless you.